Maruhay na hapon saindo the boss. Maruhay na hapon saindo the boss. Nice, thank you so much. Just Mabaros. Tama ba? Very mahirap, di ba? Yeah, you guys study Japanese. I study Tagalog. Finally, like, naiintindihan ko ako, Tagalog, di ba? Then, I can wait, di ba? I can hear. Different, di ba? BICOL. Yeah, sobrang mabilang. Okay. I'm so happy to come here and thank you so much. I'm so happy to see you guys. Okay, so today I want to perform. Is it okay? Are you ready? Okay. Hello, like this. Nice. More. Over here. Hey. When I say ay, you say ay. Okay. So why don't you come and step around the world like you want it? Show me your life as a razor. Hey! More! Hey! Thank you so much, Marami Salamat! I'm Jose Fumi from Japan. I'm so happy to see you guys. Thank you so much, Marami Salamat! Yeah, so today let's have fun. Okay, are you okay? Are you enjoy? I love your energy. Sobrang nice energy. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, water muna. Guys, sit down muna. Thank you so much. Pero this is the last song. Guys, show me your energy. Last energy, okay? Handa na ba kayo? Handa na ba kayo? Okay, kaya. Put your hands up, we can let you see something performance in BICOL. Habang I went to Sorsogon, yeah. Diba? Then kanina I went to BICOL University. And then here, SMCD LEGAZPI. Thank you so much for today. I'm so happy to meet you guys. Do you know me? Thank you. I'm Japanese. Yeah, thank you very much. I think you guys know me as from
PBB.
Yes. Who watch PBB?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Yes.
Yum Yum. Where's Yum Yum?
Nasa Bohol siya.
Sa ball.
Nasa Bohol siya. Yeah. last year, so many happened, to me, so many happenings, 'di ba? 2024, I started as a music artist. That's why I changed my name as Fumi, and then now like I focus more music. Yeah, before more TV, but now more music. Because like my purpose is I want to be a bridge between Philippines and Japan. Yes, thank you so much. Guys, learning about the Japan, diba? Thank you so much. I'm learning about the Philippines thing. Kasi I love this country talaga, and I love Filipinos talaga. Yeah. And 2024, so many happened. I started the music. Oh my gosh, so cool. Yeah. And last month, I made a song for my girlfriend. And I released that song last month. Yeah. And then we shoot music video together. Yeah.
Wow.
So guys, please watch later on YouTube, okay? So today, I want to perform that song. Is it okay? Okay. Thank you. Very masarap pizza. Thank you. Okay.